Hi to all, welcome to my class number 5 on congruence of triangles. Today I am going to discuss ASA congruence criteria. Can you draw a triangle if you know only one of its angles? Or draw a triangle ABC with angle A is equal to 55 degree. Here is a triangle ABC with angle A is equal to 55 degree. Is this the only one triangle with one of its angle 55 degree? Can you draw another triangle with the same measurement angle A is equal to 55 degree? Do try it. Yes, you can draw many triangle with one of its angle is equal to 55 degree. Can you draw a triangle if you know only two of its angles? Draw a triangle ABC with angle A 35 degree and angle B 60 degree. Do yourself. Here is a triangle ABC with angle A 35 degree and angle B 60 degree. Is this the only one triangle with angle A 35 degree and angle B 60 degree? Let us check it. Here you can see many triangles you can draw with the angle A is equal to 35 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. That is, with the given two measurements, two angles, you can draw many triangles. Can you draw a triangle if you know two angles and any one side? Let us try it. Draw a triangle ABC with angle A 70 degree, angle B 60 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. That is, one side is equal to 6 centimeter. First, let us draw AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Here you have AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now you can draw angle A is equal to 70 degree. Here, angle A is equal to 70 degree. Then how will you draw angle B? With two angles and any one side, you cannot draw a triangle. Can you draw a triangle if you know two angles and the side included between them? Draw a triangle ABC with angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree and AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Here you have triangle ABC with angle A 70 degree, angle B 60 degree and the side included between this angle, that is AB, is equal to 6 centimeter. Now if I change AB, if I change the side, what will happen? If angles are same, sides are changing means you will get a different triangle. So to get a triangle with a angle B is equal to 60, angle A is equal to 70 degree and AB is equal to 6. This is the only one triangle with the given measurements. That is, if you are given two angles and the included side, you can make a true copy of this triangle. This leads to another criteria. That is, if under a correspondence, two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and the included side of the another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. This congruence criterion we can call it as ASA congruence criteria. Here is a question. By applying ASA congruence rule, it is to be established that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP and it is given that BC is equal to RP. What additional information is needed to establish the congruence? Let us draw a rough figure of these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle QRP. These two triangles having side BC and RP are equal. Now what is the additional information is needed to establish the congruence? That means one side is equal. Now you have to find out the corresponding angles. So what will be the corresponding angle of B? Yes, it is R. And what about C? Yes, it is P. Then only BC and RP will be its included side. So we can write The additional information is as follows. Angle B is equal to angle R and angle C is equal to angle P. Here you have three questions. What is the side included between angle M and N of triangle MNP? Included side between M and N are obviously it is M. Similarly, question number 2 and question number 3 you do yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.